You know what needs repaired in a home and how much it'll cost? Hey, it's Rachel, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can estimate repairs like a seasoned contractor. Let's jump into the system. In the left-hand navigation, you'll see Analyze, and under that, Repair Estimator. The Repair Estimator gives you a list of common repairs and a national average on how much they should cost. Click Add New Repair Estimate to get started. Fill out some basic information and click Create. Once you're in the Repair Estimator, start selecting the things that need repaired. If you're not certain, you can always click on the video button to watch a quick video on what to look for in each category. Select a few more items and their quantity. Make sure you add a contingency amount to cover anything you might have missed. Click Save, and it's done. If you scroll up, you can click Generate Documents at the top to create a professional repair estimate document. You can take this with you when you meet with the seller or when you meet with the lender on the deal. It's that simple. Ready to give Realeflow and our Repair Estimator a try? Visit the 30-day free trial link in the description and get started with your free trial of Realeflow today. Thanks for stopping by, and happy investing.
Need help getting started? Click the link in the description to get our free real estate investing toolkit. All the tools you'll need to get off on the right foot.